Cheers to understanding the meaning behind "Let's raise a glass." Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meaning and usage of popular phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very common toast you might hear in English-speaking countries. Let's raise a glass. Whether you're at a celebration, a formal event, or just enjoying a casual gathering with friends, understanding this phrase will not only boost your English fluency but also help you participate more fully in these social moments. Let's raise a glass is a phrase that people use to propose a toast. This means they're suggesting that everyone present lifts their drinking glasses into the air as a sign of honor, celebration, tribute, or congratulations towards someone or something. The act of raising a glass is usually followed by a short speech or a few words that highlight the reason for the toast, ending with everyone taking a sip from their glasses. The tradition of toasting has a rich history, dating back to ancient times. It's believed that the act of clinking glasses together was originally done to ward off evil spirits. Over the centuries, it has evolved into a gesture of goodwill, celebration, and camaraderie. Let's raise a glass embodies this tradition and is used across many English-speaking cultures during various occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, victories, or even to honor someone's memory. Timing is key when proposing a toast with "Let's raise a glass." It's usually done at the beginning of a meal or gathering to welcome guests or celebrate the occasion. During a significant moment to acknowledge an achievement or milestone. At the end of an event to thank attendees or conclude the celebration. When you say, "Let's raise a glass," make sure to 1. Wait for a moment when you have everyone's attention. 2. Hold your glass up but not too high, around chest level is perfect. 3. Speak clearly and loud enough for everyone to hear. 4. End your toast with a simple closing, like, "Cheers," before everyone takes a sip. Here are a few examples of how you might incorporate "Let's raise a glass" into a toast. Celebrating an achievement. Let's raise a glass to Sarah for her incredible success in her exams. Cheers to your hard work and determination. At a wedding. Let's raise a glass to the newlyweds. May your love grow stronger with each passing day. In memory of someone. Let's raise a glass in memory of John, whose spirit and kindness will forever remain in our hearts. We hope this exploration of "Let's raise a glass" enriches your English language journey and prepares you to join in toasts with confidence. Remember, this phrase is more than just about drinking. It's about celebrating life's moments, big and small, with those around us. Thank you for watching, and cheers to your English learning adventure.